Hello guys, today's topic is maths literacy, March common test. So this is a test that was done in 2023 at KZN in March. So we're going to be answering it. I've already done the previous questions, question 1, 2, and 3. If you are new, for example, if you are new, just know I've already done the previous questions. But if you are not new, you know today you are doing question 4. This is March common test grade 12, maths literacy. So guys, let's go. We are doing question 4. If you didn't watch my previous questions, go watch them. Check the link in the description. I'll definitely leave a link in the description, or you can just go to my channel and check it out. So guys, let's go. We are answering question 4. I hope the table is visible. I'll try to make it as visible as possible. The data in table 3 below is taken from 2019 National Senior Certificate Exam Report. Table 3, numbers of learners who were in grade 2 in 2009 and the matric pass rate in 2019. So let's go. I hope you guys pause the video and read the table by yourself. Use the information in table 3 above to answer the questions that follow. 4.1.1 determine the percentage of learners from grade 2 in 2009 who passed matric in 2019 in South Africa. So guys, I need you guys to pause the video and try to actually do the task, the test for yourself, and try to do it for yourself. Just try to do it for yourself, guys. Try to do it for yourselves. I hope you pause the video. So I'll just continue, guys. So check out the table. What does the question say? Determine the percentage of learners from grade 2 in 2009. From grade 2 in 2009 who passed matric in 2019 in South Africa. So what are we talking about here? We are talking about the total. The total. Let's check, because it says in South Africa. It didn't mention the province. The grade 2 in 2009, just look at the table, guys. Grade 2 in 2009, the total is what? 972,255. That's the total. And then how many people passed matric in 2019? You can see here, passed matric 2019, the total is 403,606. 403,606. Yes. So we have to find the percentage. What do we do when we have to find the percentage? We have to divide both numbers, because we are trying to find the percentage. We have to divide both numbers and multiply by 100. Each and every time when you want to find the percentage, you need to multiply by 100, guys. That's a must. You need to multiply by 100. Otherwise, it will be in decimal form. So you need to multiply by 100. So as you can see here, why did I put 403,606 on top? Is because it's the smallest. In order to get accurate numbers, you have to start with the smallest. So we start with the smallest, and then we then say 972,255 multiplied by 100, then is equals to 41.51%. 41.51%. And don't forget to add percentage, guys. That thing, percent, is really important. People underestimate it, especially when you're writing your final exam. You might get wrong if you don't put on the percentage. So the answer is 41.51%. So now let's go to 4.1.2. We are done with 4.1.1. I think 4.1.1 is a little bit straightforward, as I explained it. So the answer you can see on the screen, I've already put the answer on the screen, which is 403,606 divided by 972,255 multiplied by 100%. Then the answer is 41.51%. 4.1.2 determine the name of the province which the median matric pass rate in 2019. With the median matric pass rate in 2019. Determine the name of the province with the median matric pass rate in 2019. So this one actually needs you to know the median. What is the median, first of all? If you don't know the median, then it's going to be difficult for you to answer this one. If you don't know what is the median, you definitely don't know how to answer this one. So let's check the province, guys. Let's just check the provinces. KwaZulu-Natal, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Northern Cape, Northwest, Western Cape, Eastern Cape, Free State, Gauteng. So guys, let's do it like this. So we have to put all the numbers in an ascending order. What do I mean by that? So what do I mean by that? That simply means we have to put it in an ascending order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's an ascending order. If I'm saying a descending order, that simply means I'm going backwards, which is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going backwards. So in ascending order is going forward, descending order is going backward. So we're going to start with the smallest and end with the biggest. That's what I'm going to say. So let's check the matric pass rate and start with the smallest and end with the biggest. You can just pause your video and try to find it yourself. Okay, I'll assume now you're done. You have written down the numbers. You started with the smallest, the matric pass rate. Remember, the question says determine the name of the province with a median matric pass rate in 2019. Median, not medium actually, guys. It's median matric pass rate in 2019. So we're going to focus on matric pass rate. We're gonna focus there and start with the smallest and end with the biggest. What's the smallest? We check here. It's 73.2%. Then what's the another one? The another one that follows 76.5%. Then 76.5%. Then 80.3%. Then 81.3%. Then 82.3%. Then 86.8%. Then 87.2%. Then 88.4%. When we do it like that, we started from the smallest to the biggest. So now we have to find the number that's in the middle. Well, how do we find the number that's in the middle? And then we name the province. Remember, as I said, that on Mathlead, you have to read the question carefully. Determine the name of the province. Name of the province with the median matric pass rate in 2019. Name of the province. So now we are done doing the ascending order. We have done putting the numbers on an ascending order. Now we have to find what's on the middle. What's in the middle, guys? As I put on the screen, it's written KwaZulu-Natal. I hope you guys already saw when you pause the video and try to do it yourself. So it's in the middle. KwaZulu-Natal is in the middle with a percentage which is let's check KwaZulu-Natal, which is 81.3%. So it's in the middle. How many numbers do we have here? I've put on the screen. You can count. This is how we found that KwaZulu-Natal is the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 numbers. So how do we find the number that's in the middle? We then calculate and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We start in an ascending order, then we go in a descending order. We start with 88.4%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we count, we all meet on 81.3%. That the number that's in the middle is 81.3%. So I hope you guys understand. It's like let me make another example. It's like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the number that's in the middle? It's number 5. The number that's in the middle is number 5. If the numbers, there were 10 numbers, that simply means there were going to be 2 numbers that will be on the middle. That simply means it will be number 5 and number 6. So that's an example, by the way. So here is 81.3%. That's the median. So we are going to another one. 4.1.3. Calculate average mean number of learners who passed matric in 2019. Mean. So calculate average mean number of learners who passed matric in 2019. So passed matric 2019. Now you are not dealing with percentage. We are dealing with who passed matric. So how do we do this? Can anyone just pause the video and try to do it by himself or herself? Remember guys, the mean. You need to know the mean. If you don't know what is the mean, then you won't be able to answer this question. I will be honest with you. So what is the mean? If you know the mean, you just pause the video and then you start calculating. This is where we focus. Past matric 2019, we focus there. So guys, try to do it by yourself. I'll assume you're done, guys. I'll assume you're done. So when you calculate the mean, we add all the numbers. So I won't say all the numbers, I'll just put them on the screen, which start with 48,331, then 22,602, then goes on and on and on to 41,502. You need to show that, guys. You need to put it on bracket and show it that you know what is the mean. If you just write the total, the teacher will think that you don't know what is the mean. You don't know it. So then you divide by 9. Why do we divide by 9? Why do we divide by 9? I need you guys to try and answer. Why do we divide by 9? Because there are 9 numbers. You divide by 9 because there are 9 numbers. When you count the numbers there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there are 9 numbers. And you can just even count the provinces. Just simple. If you still don't understand, you can just count the provinces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 provinces. So we are dealing with 9 numbers. If we were dealing with let's say there were 20 provinces, we're gonna divide by 20. If there were 15 provinces, we're gonna divide by 15. So that's it. We divide by 9 because there are 9 provinces and there are 9 numbers. So we divide by 9, then the answer is 45,545, 1. Then we can round off to the nearest. Then we are done. 4.1.4. Let's go, guys. Which measure of central tendency is better representation of the data? Mean or median? Give a reason. So this one actually requires you to have common sense, which means it's median. Data set has an outline of 6,990. That's the answer there. 4.1.4. Which measure of central tendency is a better representation of the data? Mean or median? Give a reason for your answer. Median. It's median, guys. It's definitely median, not mean. Mean is the one that we just did. You answer, you just plus all the numbers, then you divide. But if you want to find the central tendency, measure of a central tendency, you have to use the median. So it's median, guys. Data set has an outline of 6,990. That's the answer. Remember, when we give the reason, guys, for your answer, it's actually an opinion. I cannot state which answer is correct. It's an opinion. You just need to use your common sense. Why you say that? If you say mean, you have to say why you say that. Which mean, I think mean is the wrong one anyway. So, but you have to just use your common sense and give a correct reason. There's not like there's only one reason. There are many reasons. So you can just use your common sense and try to give a valid reason. So yeah. Now we are going to 4.2. 4.2. As you can see, guys, when you see this, you think of box and whiskers. 4.2. The box and whiskers plot below shows the height in inches of learners in a class. Note 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeters. This one is really important, guys. 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, guys, I need you guys to focus, and I hope the box and whiskers is visible. I hope it's visible. Use the information above to answer the following questions. 4.2.1. Determine the difference in the median height of the learners in inches. In what? Inches. So determine the difference in the median height of the learners in inches. Let's check the median of girls. Let's start with girls first, and let's check. Girls is 67. Let me zoom in here. As you can see, there's a line here in the middle. I hope you guys can see. The one that's blue is in the middle. Let's check the line. The line corresponds with 67. Then let's check boys. Boys is actually 66. As you can see, the line corresponds with 66. So let's determine the difference. When we talk about the difference, that simply means we minus. That simply means 67 minus 66, which is equals to 1 inch. That's the difference. 4.2.2. Calculate the interquartile range for the height of the girls in inches. You may use the formula. IQR equals to Q3 minus Q1. So this one is interquartile. What is the interquartile? We go check it out. Let's go check it out, guys. The interquartile. So the interquartile of the girls, let's go to the girls one, is actually we are checking the girls, guys. We're checking the girls, as the question says, calculate the interquartile range for the height of the girls in inches, for the height of the girls. So we are sticking to the girls. Let's check, guys. The interquartile. So Q3 minus Q1. Q3 doesn't mean Q3 is the last one. So you can see Q3 is actually, I hope you guys can see the blue line here. Q3 is the last line here. So it corresponds with 69. Then we are going to Q1. Q1 is 66. As you can see, we are focusing on the girls, guys. Don't forget about the boys. We are focusing on the girls. So the Q1, it corresponds with 66. So what do? We're going to say 69 minus 66. We're gonna say 69 minus 66. So what if they said calculate the interquartile of the boys? You are going to say 70 minus 65. That's the boys. 70 minus 65. So I've given you another example, guys. I hope you understand. And now we are going to 4.2.3. Elena stated that 25% of girls' height was equal to 50% of boys' height. Verify if the statement is correct. Elena stated that 25% of girls' height was equal to 50% of boys' height, and then verify if the statement is correct. So let's check. We're gonna check the quartile one of the interquartile of the girls, which is 1, which is 66. And then we are going to the boys. The boys is actually also 66. So the statement is correct. As you can see, I will put the answer on the screen. The statement is correct. Remember, the question says Elena stated that 25% of girls, 25% of girls' height was equals to 50% of boys' height. So as you can check here, guys, the girls 25%, their 25% is it corresponds with 66, which is this one. I'll try to put a blue line. Corresponds with 66. This is 25%. We're looking the line from here. We're looking in line from the beginning. As you can see, I've put the dots here, the white dots here. So we're looking at the lines from the beginning and from the end. So this is 25% actually. If you have eyes that can see it clearly, you can just measure with your eyes. Is 25%. So the boys is actually 50%. Look at the line of the boys. Starts all the way from 61 to 73. So it's actually 50%. It's 50%. So it's 50% boys. So it's right. It's correct. And this one needs more explanation, guys. So if you don't understand, just comment down below. Or just another example about this one, but it doesn't appear most of the time in exams. So if you want another example, just comment down below. I'll just bring another example. And then we are going to 4.3. Okay, we are going to 4.3. A survey was conducted amongst the learners who participated in sport. Table 3 below shows the number of girls and boys who participated in sports. Table 3, learner participation in sport. So determine the probability as a decimal of girls' participation in swimming. Okay, the probability. I hope you guys know the probability by now. So what's the probability of girls' participation? Girls' participation. What is the probability? The probability is 5 over 16. Why do we say 5 over 16? Because there are only 5 girls in swimming. We are talking about swimming, by the way, guys. It says in swimming. Determine the probability as a decimal of girls participating in swimming. So the girls that are participating in swimming is 5. Then out of how many people are there who are participating? All of them, they are 16. So we're going to say 5 over 16. If 30 people were participating and then there were only 5 girls, we will say 5 over 30. If 31 people were participating and there were only 5 girls, we're going to say 5 over 31. But now it's 5 over 16. Then you simply press equals to on your calculator, you will find the decimal, which is 0.3125. So that's it, guys. That's question 4. I think I'm done right now. I'm done. So guys, make sure you comment down below if you didn't understand some of the questions. Comment down below and let's just help each other. For those who understand, they can answer in the comments. So I will try to make another video if you didn't understand. If most of you didn't understand anyway, I'll try to make another video on different question paper. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the video. I'll see you on the next Maths Lit lesson. Peace.